Animation fans, brace yourselves, because Amazon Prime Video is about to shake the adult animated universe again. The hit series Invincible has officially announced its fourth season, scheduled to premiere in March 2026, and the first teaser, released at New York Comic Con, has already sent waves of excitement across social media. The biggest headline? Lee Pace will voice Thrag, one of the comic series' most dangerous and feared Viltrumites, marking a massive turning point in the show's storyline. Known for its brutal action sequences, deep character development, and emotionally charged storytelling, Invincible has consistently set the bar for adult animation. Today, we'll explore everything revealed about Season 4, including casting news, teaser hints, and what fans can expect as the saga of Mark Grayson intensifies. With the universe expanding and stakes rising, anticipation has never been higher. Before diving into Season 4, it's important to recap Season 3, which aired in February 2025 and delivered 8 episodes packed with high-stakes battles, shocking betrayals, and character evolution. Season 3 focused on Mark Grayson navigating his powers, confronting Viltrumites, and balancing personal relationships, while the universe around him grew increasingly dangerous. Fans praised the series for its complex storytelling, attention to character motivations, and willingness to explore mature themes in a superhero context. The critical and audience response was overwhelmingly positive, culminating in an early renewal for Season 5, announced at San Diego Comic-Con in July, showing Amazon Prime Video's commitment to a long-term narrative. This continuity keeps excitement high for Season 4, promising even more intense conflicts, surprising alliances, and emotional arcs that will challenge both heroes and villains alike. One of the most exciting announcements for Season 4 is Lee Pace joining the cast as Thrag, arguably the most dangerous Viltrumite in the Invincible universe. Thrag's presence is guaranteed to elevate the stakes, as his intelligence, strength, and ruthlessness make him a formidable antagonist. Lee Pace, acclaimed for roles in projects like Guardians of the Galaxy and Halt and Catch Fire, brings charisma and menace to the villain, ensuring a compelling voice performance that will leave fans captivated. Thrag's introduction is expected to ignite epic confrontations, push Mark Grayson to his limits, and deepen the narrative's exploration of moral choices and loyalty. Fans of the comics have long anticipated Thrag's appearance, and now seeing him brought to life in animated form promises to be one of the most significant moments in the series' history. Another intriguing addition to the voice cast is Matthew Rhys, who will portray an as-yet unknown character in Season 4. While details about his role remain a mystery, his inclusion has fueled intense speculation among fans, ranging from new allies to secretive villains who could dramatically alter the course of the series. Rhys' involvement hints at a deeper, more intricate narrative, adding layers of intrigue to an already complex story. Between Lee Pace's Thrag and Matthew Rhys's mystery character, Season 4 appears to be setting up high-stakes conflicts, unexpected twists, and morally complex storylines. These casting choices suggest Amazon Prime Video is committed to expanding the Invincible universe with top-tier talent, giving the show an edge in both storytelling and performance that will resonate with longtime fans and newcomers alike. The first teaser, dropped at New York Comic Con, provides subtle but tantalizing hints about what Season 4 has in store. While the footage doesn't reveal major plot points, it showcases intense action, dramatic imagery, and a tone that signals escalating danger for both Mark Grayson and his allies. Fans have analyzed every second, speculating about character returns, new threats, and potential alliances that could shift the balance of power in the universe. The animation style remains cinematic and visually stunning, consistent with the high-quality production fans have come to expect. With Season 4 promising to continue the show's mix of epic battles, emotional storytelling, and shocking twists, the teaser confirms that the next chapter will be one of the darkest, most thrilling yet, keeping viewers eagerly anticipating the March 2026 premiere. With Thrag and Matthew Rhys joining the cast, fan theories about Season 4 are spreading across social media, forums, and fan communities at record speed. Some speculate Rhys may play a new ally or hidden villain, while others predict pivotal comic story arcs will be adapted, including major battles, character deaths, and moral dilemmas. Fans are dissecting every detail of the teaser, looking for clues about plot direction, alliances, and potential consequences for Mark Grayson and his family. The discussions highlight not only the excitement surrounding the series, but also the engaged fan base, eager for deep, character-driven storytelling. With Season 4 set to push boundaries and challenge expectations, speculation and anticipation are only growing as fans prepare for another action-packed installment. Season 4 is not only about thrilling battles and shocking reveals, but also about setting the stage for the already confirmed Season 5. Amazon Prime Video is clearly investing in a long-term narrative plan, allowing for character growth, intricate plots, and high-quality animation. Fans can expect expanded storylines exploring the Viltrumite conflict, Mark's personal challenges, and the moral complexities of heroism and villainy. With Lee Pace's Thrag threatening the heroes and new mysterious characters like the one voiced by Matthew Rhys, Season 4 is poised to deliver the tension, drama, and epic moments that have made Invincible a standout in adult animation. The series continues to evolve while staying true to its dark, emotionally charged tone that keeps viewers hooked. As March 2026 approaches, anticipation for Invincible Season 4 is higher than ever. With the combination of Lee Pace as Thrag, Matthew Rhys in a mysterious role, and Amazon Prime Video's investment in storytelling and production, fans have plenty to look forward to. Season 4 promises to challenge characters, explore intense emotional arcs, and deliver the high-stakes action the series is known for. For longtime fans and newcomers alike, it will be an opportunity to experience the Invincible universe at its most thrilling and dramatic, with narrative twists, epic confrontations, and character developments that will shape the trajectory of the series for years to come. The countdown to March is officially on, and excitement shows no signs of slowing.